Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in global sentiment, sitting at plus 0.16 with momentum at plus 0.21. This is particularly interesting when you compare it to historical data. We haven't seen sentiment trend upward like this in weeks. What's even more compelling? Our API returns a comprehensive analysis, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, all in one neat package. With 20 distinct semantic clusters identified, you can dive deep into the nuances of sentiment across various topics. Imagine using this data to enhance your trading algorithms. You can adjust positions based on sentiment shifts, potentially gaining an edge in timing and strategy. Ready to explore further? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.